Imagine your brand's next viral ad made entirely for free, powered by AI, and resonating with millions. €. It's absolutely possible. We're diving deep into how to craft user-generated content, ads designed for massive reach, all without spending a dime on software. Let's start by identifying what makes UGC truly connect. Viral UGC is all about authenticity, relatability, and emotion. Think unboxing reactions, funny skits, solving a problem, or showcasing a transformation. These are the core elements we'll inject into our AI-assisted creations. First, let's use a free AI text-to-video generator. Think of names like Pictory or Synthesis, where you can input a simple description of the ad you want. For example, a happy customer unboxing our new skincare product, with upbeat music and text overlay. The AI will take your text and weave it into short, engaging video scenes. Don't worry about perfection here. The goal is to get raw, diverse footage that feels genuine. You're essentially building a library of authentic-looking clips. Next, we'll move to a free AI-powered video editor tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. The free version, or incredibly powerful. This is where we assemble our UGC masterpiece. Import all the clips the AI generated. Now, think like a storyteller. Arrange these clips to create a narrative. Add punchy text overlays that highlight key benefits or CTAs, and set a fast, engaging pace to keep viewers hooked. Crucially, we'll add upbeat, trending music and relevant sound effects from the editor's free library. Sound is a massive driver for virality. Experiment with different tracks until you find one that elevates the emotion of your ad. Most free editors also offer AI-powered auto-captioning. Make sure your captions are clear, concise, and easy to read. This is vital for accessibility and ensuring your message lands even with the sound off. Finally, export your ad in the optimal format for the platform you're targeting. €. Be it TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, the key is to keep it short, visually dynamic, and value-packed. By combining authentic feeling AI-generated visuals with compelling storytelling and trending audio, you can craft UGC ads that have the potential to go viral, all for free. Start experimenting and see your brand's reach explode.